Hey, on today's video, we're doing Haystack Cookies. That's right, Haystack. Straight from the barn. You know, bales of hay? Who knew you could eat that? But on keto, that's what we're doing.
Wow.
Haystack Cookies. Coming right up.
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Thank you so much and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click that subscribe button and then move a little bit over to the left, click the bell and then click the word all, so you do not miss any notifications when we upload great ketogenic content here on this channel. Now, today's video is all about Haystack Cookies. By the way, this is going to be in a playlist right above me. Playlist for sweets. I have a sweets on this channel where there's nothing but sweets in it. You'll see the playlist above. Now, cookies, Haystack. I mean, we're doing keto, so I guess we got to eat hay from the barn.
No.
You mean like bales of hay? It's not a haystack cookie?
No, they just kind of look like little haystacks, I guess. I don't know. That's just
Are you
what I call
serious? It's not real hay?
Please.
What is
Seriously.
it made of?
Well, usually I think old school haystack cookies, don't look at me like that.
Really?
Old school haystack cookies I think are made out of like pretzels or maybe
What?
Look at you. Or cornflakes. I think they make, I don't, or maybe they're
Cornflake. You know,
maybe
we'll
I'm
have to
getting them
look this
mixed
up. Look,
but
keto friends, if you've ever had a haystack cookie or ever heard of that before, leave a comment below and let us know what you made or what you've heard of haystack. But anyway, you've heard of them.
yeah, I've heard of haystack cookies, and I just think that they're made out of the pretzels, like the little whatever stack of little
So they got the
pretzels.
little things like going out of the cookie and it looks like a piece of hay
Yeah.
sticking out. Okay,
Yeah.
I got you. That makes sense.
And also, like, I know
And
my
it's
mom,
stacked.
right? My mom used to make these like cornflake cookies. They were made out of cornflakes and like peanut butter and stuff. And
Like
so,
Kellogg's
I don't
cornflakes?
even know. I think she called them like cornflake kisses or something like that. But anyway,
Whoa.
what I
that's another
decided to
story.
do was call these haystack cookies, and I'm making them out of. The first time I made them with
What do we got?
coconut, like shredded coconut.
Shredded coconut. That makes sense because that's going to be a haystack.
Yeah, so I came in here one morning, you know, just wanting something sweet, and I'm the worst at throwing stuff together. I just start throwing stuff in a bowl. Byron's like making breakfast, and I'm like over here, you know what? And I just start throwing stuff in, and they turned out so amazing. I was like, we need to do a recipe on this. And then I get in here and try to start doing it again, and I'm like, I can't recreate this. Something is...
You don't remember
No.
what you threw together.
No, because I just like dump, just dump. But
Maybe we should do a video where you just dumping stuff. Just dumping.
maybe I should. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I went ahead and did the work for you guys and figured out all of the ingredients, all of the measurements, and let's make
So
these
that you
cookies.
could make them at home yourself because they're dang delicious.
Yeah, the first time, like I was saying, the first time I just used shredded coconut and I didn't toast it, and I was like, oh, it doesn't have that crunch that I remember
You're
from
looking for
like
that crunch.
Yeah, so I toasted it this time, and I think it turned out way better. I've tried it like 4 times, so let's get to making this batch.
Let's do it.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we're using 2 cups of unsweetened coconut. We've already toasted these in the toaster oven. We have 1/4 cup of walnuts. You can use whatever nut of choice you want to use. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And 1/2 cup of Lily's Butterscotch baking chips.
talking about, my guy. I don't know about you, but
See?
this already
Haystack.
looks, yeah, it looks haystackish. Like if I just fell out of the barn, like you know when Marty McFly ran into the barn of the Twin Pines, and the guy came out and he's like, "It's an alien." Remember he crashed the DeLorean in?
Okay.
You don't remember?
Yeah,
He crashed in the barn. There was hay everywhere. This is what I would think that would fall out. This right here. I digress. Anyway, you just saw how this was made. This is very simple. I mean, it's put together, and then how long did we put this in the fridge for?
For about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Should we bite or just go whole in?
Oh, should we dink it?
Oh, dink!
Okay.
Should we all in, or are you sure?
I'm gonna bite.
Oh, so you're biting. I'm going all in. Ready?
Uh-huh. See? Aren't these better? Such a weirdo. Aren't these better with the crispy, crunchy coconut? Stop.
I just went to a vortex. I think I went back in time or another dimension or something.
Such a weirdo.
Are you Susan?
Help me.
Oh. Goodness. The walnuts? Oh, there's just this cream that... Now, we used almond butter, right?
Yeah.
You can use peanut butter if you want.
You can use whatever butter you want.
But that almond butter... Wow.
I really like the crunch.
I don't like tooting my own horn, but... I did it with this here, dude. You know what I'm saying? Created, cooked it, put it together. I'm the bomb. You're welcome, keto friends.
Toot your own horn.
Yeah.
Whatevs. Anyway, the first time I made it, it was just too chewy for me. The first coconut pieces, they were shredded and they were tiny. And, just
These were a little
not
larger.
fan. Yeah. I kind of have been... I was looking at recipes of like no-bake cookies, and I couldn't really find what I wanted. And so that's when I came in here and was just kind of like, you know
Dude, it's so easy. You just saw how she made it. Like, mix it together, get an ice cream scooper, just pop it in, throw it in the freezer, and you're done.
Lily's has stepped up their game with those
Oh, yes, the butterscotch.
chips.
Are you kidding me?
Wow.
That makes the flavor right there, the butterscotch.
No sweetener, no added sweetener in it. It's sweetened with just Lily's.
Thank you very much, Lily's. Can you sponsor this video? Just asking for a friend.
For a keto friend.
Yeah, my keto friends. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed how to make haystack cookies today on this keto channel. Remember to give a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, if you make this recipe at home, give us some love down in the description. Let us know how it turned out. If you did the recipe and it didn't turn out, let us know.
Because we've had that happen too.
That's right, and we'll reach out and help you with that. And also, don't forget to share this video with your keto friends if they're looking for some ways to start a ketogenic lifestyle. And remember, until next time, keep it stacked in the hay with keto. Say you love it.
Nope.